What's up, everybody? It's Lee here, the bartending, photo boothing rental guy, and I've made a living setting up pop-up tents, basically. And here is a pop-up tent setup, a 20 by 20 pop-up tent setup, one of the last of the seasons. So check it out. Oh, and if you haven't, subscribe to my channel to see more stuff like this. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed yet, please consider subscribing to the channel, join the club. And as always, you stay classy.